Welcome back to Mirissa Beach in Sri Lanka. Let's take a nice stroll from Coconut Tree Hill all the way over to Parrot Rock. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy some of Marissa's beach views.
So you'll probably get dropped off somewhere there where that red tuk-tuk is. And then the pathway is kind of not obvious. It's not down there. It's up this little narrow thing. And then you'll just go all the way up and you'll notice. What's that Coconut Tree Hill? It's a 5-minute drive from our hotel. This is one of the Instagram spots in Sri Lanka. Also, it's just really beautiful, so we come. I think I'm done hiking after this country. Oh yeah, finished. I'm surprised there's no one here. Oh, there are people there. It's not busier up here, to be honest. Only a few people at a time, which is kind of nice. Their boats here are really similar to the Philippines, except for they only have one ski. In the Philippines, they have 2 skis. Oh. Alright, we're gonna try to get over there. So from there, you can actually walk all the way along here. And then it goes behind here. The rocks are pretty flat. You see where those people are up ahead. Keep on trucking. I'm gonna put the camera away here because this is where I fall.
Decide where your foot's landing before you lift it.
You hear that, everybody? If you're coming, you're clumsy like me.
Take you going down?
No. I probably will fall. Right, we made it from that little decline. Alright, let's keep on going. Photo mode, not video. I've never seen black sand before. That's so cool. No, where would I have seen it? Yeah, that's cool, man. All right, now for the next. Oh.
Where are we going?
Parrot Rock. So right over there. From, oh, we can't see it anymore. From Coconut Tree Hill.
highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Fun music. There's tons of cute little bars and restaurants all along the water here. Oh, that's a nifty idea. Hey, how are ya? Let's see how deep that is. Look at little hermit crab. You can see the coconut tree hill in the distance there. That's where we came from. And you can walk the whole way along, which is really nice. In and out of some water.
And if you just walked straight, it would only be 15 or 20 minutes.
Yeah, but I keep stopping.
And then as much stopping as you want to do for photos.
Whoopsies. Ah.
It would be easy enough to miss this whole section.
Yeah, seriously. Good eye. Good eye, Patrick. Patrick was like, I think we can walk along there. And I was like, I don't think you can. And then, sure enough, we saw people going. Yeah, because when we walked up here the other day, I thought like that was kind of blocked off and you'd have to go from like the roadside.
You didn't see the stairs?
No. It's almost time for a beer, guys. I know. It's so beautiful here. All right, here we go. And there's the other beach here. Doesn't really matter, I guess my dress is already wet. Which side? This side? for a second? You just can't see. Okay, it's just like right above my knee, mid-thigh. Not so bad. Okay, everybody, please be careful when doing this, as some of it doesn't have a railing, and the railing that is here, it is, well, as you can see. I don't know, maybe I'll put the camera away.
Here.
And you can see why we didn't film going up. That's part of the staircase there. That's where we were earlier. Our hotel's on the other side of that. Wow.
I hope you enjoyed this relaxing beach video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel related videos. Coming up next, Una Watuna and Gaul. See you in the next one.